Hey, buddy, what's up?
Yo, who was that guy?
I don't know, I've never seen him.
Hey buddy, you seem to be having a bad day. Take this. Thank me later.
With Splasher Swag, you will instantly stand out from the crowd. You no longer have to worry about not having attention from anyone because all eyes are on you.
No, dude, not like that. It's called a splasher swag, not a swig.
Wow, I want to be cool like him. Pass the Splasher Swag.
Splasher Swag is now available in 3 different savory, tasty flavors: Tutti Frutti, Cherry Vanilla, and Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. Splasher Swag, now available in every single store near you. Literally every single store. Go out and buy yourself a little bit of some Splasher Swag.